Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would like to show you my bay leaf tree bush, which I already picked up a lot of leaves. You can show over here the leaves. You see over here, I already kind of washed them too. There is plenty of them. So I picked them up, which I'm gonna prune them in half so they can grow much more fuller and healthier. You see already it's growing tall. I want them to be short and nice bush. So with this bay leaf, I'm gonna do something loose over here. Like you see, I washed them very nice. All right, now that I brought all the bay leaf back inside, I washed it, and now I put it on a towel. So what it does, we're gonna let it dry. And I'm sure everybody knows bay leaf, unless somebody doesn't know. This is the way I let them dry, and this is how I use it. Even sometimes I use it wet, like fresh. I'm not sure if they say it's good or not, but I use it and I drink it very little. And I want to say that the bay leaf, it has a lot of good benefits for health-wise. It does. Our parents in Middle East, they use this a lot for people when they have cough, cold. They say even if you have a parasite, it's for intestines, to clean it, for diabetes, for a lot of good things it can help. So what do you do? And you know that you use this while it's dry. We put in a chicken when we make any kind of meat dish. We put bay leaf. It does good taste in it, and what it does, it takes the smell. Sometimes when you boil a chicken, it kind of smells so strong, so what it does, it takes it away. So I have a video that I'm showing that I was making a pork feet, which I put it twice. Beginning we boil it, we throw it away. It cleans it up, it cleans the smell. You won't have smell, you throw that away and you put it again. But we use for a lot of good thing, good cause, and we make a tea with it. So now over here I have water, about 2, 3, 4 cups, doesn't matter. You have the dry bay leaf. You'll put it in about maybe 6, 7 pieces, doesn't matter. You can put even 8. And what do I have over here? Because it doesn't have too much smell when you're just boiling it. So what do? I put some cinnamon, but this is too big, which I'm not gonna put the big pieces. I just wanted to show you. Stick cinnamon, couple of them, that it's small. What it does, it gives good smell in your tea, and of course it's very healthy, the cinnamon. And I have some cloves, the flower, the cloves. I put about 6, 7, few bunch, which it gives very beautiful smell. Now that my water is boiling, I will lower it very low. Even though I lowered it, I want to make it very low and let it like a steam. Let it leaves all the good vitamins in it, so you can enjoy while you're drinking. So over here I made already, and I think I need a strainer for this. Let's see what it is. All right, we have little strainer here. I'm gonna put this in the cup, and you will see the color, how beautiful it is, with a little cinnamon, with a little clover and the leaf. It's like a pink color, and it smells very beautiful. As a matter of fact, this tea, it's even good for you when you drink it at night. It really suits your stomach. It makes you relax to sleep. I have a sleeping apnea, they call, like I don't sleep. Every hour I'm awake. So this is the tea that I drink. It kind of comfort my stomach and I sleep more comfortable. You can drink this in the morning. You can drink this afternoon, hour later. It will be very enjoying, and it really relaxes your muscles. It relaxes your body. So it takes your stress away. It really helps you with a lot of good things. So it's good for liver, for kidney. When you make it, enjoy the tea just the way it is. Usually people, they drink like this, maybe with sugar. I always like to put a little honey in it. So I drink it with honey, which is honey is another kind of a medication, like a vitamin antibiotic. So I put honey in it, and that's the way I will enjoy it. And if you don't want any sweet sugar, you can just drink it like that. It's very, very like a silk, it's going through your throat. And it does help for cough, for everything that you drink. Well, I hope you'll try this. While I had my bay leaf tree bushes, I picked them up before even I showed you the bush. And this is what I do beginning of the year. I let them dry, and then of course I share with friends, whatever, because it's so much. And I enjoy it. And this is from the last year, which all year I use. It's dry. But then it's always a lot of time I pick it up sometimes and I let it dry when it's finished, when I don't have it. And a few weeks, whenever like it's really dry, few days, few weeks, whatever, I use this to make a tea. And now here you see that it's boiling. You can boil this about 7, 10 minutes, 12 minutes in a low heat, which is like boiling very nice. You turn it off and let it cool as a just a, you know, soft drink, as a water. You can drink it. As a matter of fact, I think it does help even losing weight, in case that will be like before your breakfast and after, you know, dinner, hour later or hour before you eat, you'll drink it and it might help. I'm not 100% sure, but in Middle East that's what they used to say. But there is definitely, it has a lot of good benefits in bay leaf. So if you get hold of it, use it, enjoy it. If you have the plant, always pick them up, dry them, and use them and enjoy them. Well, salute to you. I hope you'll have, and this is beginning of the year, I hope you'll have a good healthy year with this beautiful juice that we're drinking with the tea, I should say, and enjoy it. And I hope you'll do that. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.